Keurig K-Slim Coffee Maker, Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Brewer, 8 to 12 ounces. Brew sizes, black. Enjoy ease and great taste in little space with the new Keurig K-Slim Single-Serve Coffee Maker. At just 5 wide, the K-Slim Single-Serve Coffee Maker fits neatly on your countertop, making it the perfect choice for when space saving and simplicity are important. The K-Slim Brewer brings together the performance and simplicity that Keurig is known for in a slim and sleek design. You also get the convenience you desire with the capacity to brew up to 4 8-ounce cups before refilling the 46 ounces removable water reservoir and the ability to enjoy a fast and fresh brewed 8, 10, or 12 ounces cup at the push of a button. Choose from hundreds of flavorful K-Cup pod varieties of coffee, tea, cocoa, and more. With the K-Slim Brewer, your delicious morning cup or midday pick-me-up is always ready in minutes, and you never have to sacrifice countertop space for taste again. Fits anywhere, less than 5 wide, fits neatly on your countertop. Multiple cup water reservoir, removable 46 ounces reservoir lets you brew up to 4 cups before refilling. 8 ounces cup size. 3 cup sizes, brew an 8, 10, or 12 ounces cup at the push of a button. Fast and fresh brewed, delicious coffee made in minutes. Travel mug friendly, removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.0 tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Energy efficient, auto off feature turns off your coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew, helping to save energy. Compatible with the My K-Cup universal coffee filter, brew your own ground coffee, sold separately. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.